To cut the fabric, I use old t-shirt, fold in half, and don't forget to get the quarter-inch of seam allowance. You need front and back and 2 sleeves. Front and back, right side together, and sew shoulder part. I use my serger, but if you don't have it, just sew them together and use the zigzag stitch on the edge. Now sleeves. Right side together. Use pin to secure. Now, front and back piece right side together and sew from the edge of the sleeve to end of the t-shirt. Matching the armpit is very crucial here. Serging or zigzag stitch on the edge of sleeve and back and front piece and hem it. If you want to change the length, this is the time you have to do it. Now you have to measure your length of a color. Mine was 24 inches. It was a little bit wider. That's what I like. Now I have to cut the fabric for my color. I cut the fabric 4 inches by 22 inches rectangle, shorter than actual color length. Sew both ends together, make big circle, and hold in half and sew them together. Wrong side together, like the video. Now, attach the color onto the t-shirt and sew them around, then top stitch at the end. Make sure you attach the color right side together.